What's up, YouTube? Your boy's in a trade. I have already took 2 losses today. Literally super similar trades as each other, and this was my trade. My entry was here, and I got stopped out here. Same with GBP. Entry was like here, got stopped out here. So both of them were actually good positions, but yeah, they just swept liquidity, and unfortunately I was that liquidity this time. But yeah, I saw this happening. It's making a nice little push out now, so we're up. Yeah, I saw this. The only thing is that I saw it come out of this zone, but this is like a long time ago, and I'm looking at the 5 minute. This is also lines up on the 15 minute, this structure. So, you know, we broke here, came back to test it, and yeah, kind of glad that I jumped in now. Again, I weren't super confident on this, so I only risked 0.5%. That's what I've been risking all day, just because, yeah, none of these have really been massively confident positions, but I guess part of me didn't want to miss out on them. So the happy medium is just to take the position and risk a bit less. So yeah, this is making a nice push out now. I'm kind of happy about that. So I'm going to put my first profit target there, which is going to be there. And second is going to be 03. Don't know how realistic that's going to be though. That's that low there. Yeah, don't know how realistic that's going to be, but we shall see. Liking this push out so far though. Yeah, liking this so far. To be honest, I might even move my stop loss to like halfway already, because I feel like this shouldn't come back now, and if it does, it's a invalid position. This looks nice. Profit looks good so far. Bearing in mind, we've got to make up for a 200 loss today. So yeah, man, the good thing about this strategy is that I can take 2, sometimes 3 losses, and I can make it all back with 1 trade. So yeah, let's see. Expecting a little pullback here. It's nothing too much to worry about, I don't think. Let's just monitor that though. I used to literally jump in trades like this. This would have been an entry. I used to use the 20 EMA, jump in these tiny little trades and just go boom straight to the top there. But yeah, I don't see this as too much of a thing to worry about right now. But yeah, I'm considering doing that though with the stop loss. I think I will do that actually, you know. I'm gonna let it run just for a bit longer though, just see what's happening. Got a nice entry though. Nice entry there. And yeah, I still want to film losses. I guess I just haven't been. I haven't. Everything that I film and that I've actually taken as a trade, I will upload. But like, I just haven't filmed any losses yet. Well, have I? No, I actually haven't. Maybe that's a sign. Maybe deep down I know which ones are going to be winners. But yeah, this looks alright still so far. It's annoying sometimes because I've took 2 losses today, which means that whatever I make, most of the money that I make on this one now is just going to be covering those losses. But I think it's helpful to think of profit as an overall, like in the week. I've seen a lot of people look at their profit as in like, I've had a profitable week, I've had a profitable month, because losses are normal. So yeah, I think it can be helpful to look at the wins and the losses in that way, because yeah, the losses don't seem too much of a problem when, you know, when you've had big wins and stuff like that. Also, I'm starting to realise the psychology of sometimes the reason why price hesitates and the way it moves, because everybody's looking at these charts through their own lenses, and this, like I was literally saying to other people, that's the place to buy from. So it's only normal that we start hesitating here and have little pullbacks and stuff like that. But then it's just who's gonna win in the battle of buy versus sell, and then we always, you know, we see what happens next. Oh, I am gonna move my stop loss, not that far, but I'm gonna move it to like there, I think. Because I feel like if we come past this now, it's just not. It's not. It's not gonna be a good. It's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good news. So, yeah, let's just see. Yo. As well, I think, who the fuck is this guy, man? How can you get emails from randomers and they just keep emailing you? It's just like, come on, mate, I ignored you. Not to be a dickhead, but, you know, and it's just spammy stuff. It's just like, oh, clear, I'm not interested. Anyway, shut up. Yeah, even pulling back to this zone, still, it's not going to be ideal, but it's not going to worry me too much, I don't think. Because we've got a lot of stuff to come and regain. That's a nice sign as well. I'm seeing Euro and GBP selling off. happy to see that. I did actually see this on Euro. Oh, fucking hell, that swept it. Yeah, this is, yeah, that's a good little position. Oh boy. Okay, well, it looks like we're having a fairly big retracement now. I don't want a third loss of the day. Don't give me that. Come on. Come on, sellers, step in. It's quite difficult holding trades, you know. That's why I'm proud of myself for the previous video that I put out where I held the trade for like an hour through stormy weather. Because yeah, it was a tough hold, that was. Jeez. I think I'm still okay with this. We reached 1.9 R. And we are seeing reversals now. I would like to see it slow down a bit now. $166 was my previous stop loss area. So I haven't closed it massively, but yeah, like I'm saying, this is still something that can happen. Obviously, it's not ideal to watch it happen. You always want them clean pushes, but yeah, this isn't abnormal behavior. It just tests you. It just tests your nerve, man. But so far, it's not looking like something I'll be too worried about. And a little bit more worried now. I don't actually like the look of this now. That's a nice wick. To be honest, as long as it doesn't come back here, like all the way to here, if I see it push through there, then I'll be worried. Because there's liquidity there, clearly. And this is the order block. I want to see it react off that. Hopefully we don't even get to that. But I'm going to hold. I'd rather take a loss and stick to my plan than jump out and risk leaving all this money on the table. So we're going to hold this for a bit. Yo, yo, yo. This isn't looking nice. This is not looking good. Oh boy. Yeah, close this. Give us one final go. Nah, it's not gonna, is it? Is it? Sure to just close here, cut my loss. That's not a fucking good sign. But part of me just, I can't let go of it once it's in. You know, my stop loss is there for a reason. Come on, sellers, fight back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna let this play out because, like I said, my stop loss is there for a reason. I think I might just move it a little bit tighter now. Yeah, I'm gonna move it a bit tighter still. We lose £60 if this doesn't go. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna go into profit now. But we wait. And that's all you can do, baby. All you can do is wait. Look at that though. What I said about old me would have jumped in there. That would have been a lovely quick trade. Don't know what it is about AUUSD and this 20 EMA, but they seem to line up really nice sometimes, especially on the 5 minute. I just want to close this, man. Cut the friggin' loss, but at the same time, oh man, this thing's fucking playing, mate. Yo, this shit is absolutely playing. Go on, push further. Don't wick. I said don't wick, not do wick. Do wick. Don't wick, do wick. This is some bullshit. I'll tell you that for free. Go on then. Go on then. Go on then. What the fuck, man? This is absolutely playing. Alright. I could pretty confidently say now if this comes back up again, then I'm cutting it out because this should not come back up again. If we're gonna push out, we're pushing out from here. I just do not see it coming back again. But as I say that, I can't help but just stick to the plan because clearly, like I'm, like we're watching it fucking live happening right now. I could have closed there if I was worried. Sometimes you just gotta give it a bit of time to do its thing. I think I did the right thing with the stop loss there, though. There's just no sellers that want to continue this push. I feel to just take the profit that's on the table. This is anyone's game right now. 9:15. Oh boy. 9:15. What am I on about? 12:20. Where the fuck did I get 9:15 from? The problem is London. What's it? New York is gonna open soon as well. There's no news, but fuck it. I'm keeping everything where it is. You know, New York could help us. Come on, mate, react off that. Oh boy, here we go. We're about to take the loss, baby. I think that was the last few sellers that were in. Who were just like, yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, these men went down with the ship. These men. These lot went down with the ship, boy. Allow it, man, allow it. Just leave it. It's not gonna happen now. Why this week has all these trades just been messing with me, man? Yesterday's one messed with me like crazy. This morning's two. Just, I mean, they didn't fuck about, but they literally swept me and then went in my direction. And I'd hate to see that happen now. I would hate it. Nah, this ain't gonna go. I feel like I've seen this in back testing too much. If I would love to just hold this and then New York just comes and saves us, but I don't see that happening. I see New York coming and wrecking us. Oh well, if today's a loss, then Today's a loss. I literally looked on my True Forex Funds stats. I think it was yesterday, and it said that Wednesday I've never took a loss. And now this Wednesday, I knew I would jinx it by looking at that. I just knew it. And now today with 3, this is going to be the 3rd loss of the day. It's just not going to be profit. Come on, let's be honest with ourselves. Come on then, break, baby. Break that shit. Go on, break that. You know you want to break that. I know you want to. You know you want to. I don't know why I just moved my stop loss twice. Well, I do actually. I saw this and I just thought it might spike up and then drop. Because it's really building liquidity right now. Come on, man, just fucking break. Give me a break, would ya? Give me a fucking break. Five minutes. Oh yes, come on. Come on, me darling. Push. And 3, 2, 1, push. Push. Mate, I know you literally want to break it, so just break it. I know you do. Just go ahead and do it. Look, I'll move that out the way for you. Less resistance. Go on. What did you say? Mate Papa proud. Mate Papa proud. Come on. Bing, 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 bing. So we did have a decent push. If this breaks this, then I'm pretty sure we're going to break that as well. But 4 minutes till New York. New York, New York. Break that shit, break that shit. I know you wanna break that shit, break that shit, break that shit. I know that you wanna break that shit. 1, 2, 8, yes. Bruh. Look at this dude. Look at his head. I am gonna hold through New York. I am. Because my stop loss is tight now. we're selling on a lot of these pairs. And like I say, money's not mine until it's mine. You know, money's not mine until I close it. So £80 up. Oh boy. I say that, but once these big fucking volume candles come, I'm gonna be shitting myself, mate. Do you know what? I'm even gonna move these to there. Let's just cut these losses, you know. Cut these stinking losses. We've got a long way to go. We've got 47 seconds until New York opens. We're £100 up now. Maybe this is going to be a lesson to me whether to hold through New York. I actually watched Doyle, and he doesn't trade on Wednesdays because I think he says that there's lots of news or something. But I don't see any news today. And is this pre-New York? Because this is making a nice push. 5 seconds. I mean, I doubt it's just going to go berserk, but let's see. Oh boy. Right, stick to the plan. I'm not holding just because there's loads of volume. I'm closing, locking it in. Come on, push. Give me 85. Give me 85. Come on, don't play with me again. Don't do this. Come on, don't play with me again. I should have known actually. Look, that's it. A big resistance. Just gonna hold a little longer and see if we can get 86. Don't do that. Should I close one? I'm at 2 to 1 right now. I don't know why I'm at 2 to 1 because I should be at 3 to 1. What the fuck am I at 2 to 1? What's my entry? 4, 6. $84 we should be holding for. Come on. Give me that shit. Give me that, give me that, give me that shit. I'm taking it. Fuck it, I'm taking it. Don't want to see no fucking retracements now. Alright, yeah, big deal. Lost about a tenner because I didn't wait. Stop loss is now 20. Let's see if we can get this break. Well, I'm happy that I've locked in a little bit of money. Part of me knew that volumes come in and I wanted to hold both positions through this, but man, I've learnt that lesson. Just to stick to the freaking rules, mate. You know what I mean? What did I lock that in for? 120. Oh, I did actually leave quite a bit on the table, didn't I? Should have been one. What would it be now? 186, waiting for 184. Yeah, I left about £15 on the table. It's quite well. I mean, in thinking about it relative to how much you're risking, it's actually quite a lot of money. Because each position was 50 quid. 50 quid. Come on, let's go for 5R. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Anything that I should be worried about? Nah, I was looking at that as an order block, but it hasn't actually took any structure, so I'm happy to hold this between 36 and 34, I think. What are we now? 3.8. 4. Pretty much, yeah, pushing 4. Yeah, we've hit 4. So I should be on 200 now. Look at that bastard commission. That should be 200 right now. But yeah, let's keep holding. Looking alright still. I don't see any reason to sell yet. And like I was saying, we expect this little reaction here. But I don't think it's got any strength. It shouldn't have strength, to be honest. And if it does, then it does. And we will adjust accordingly. How long has this trade been going on for? 10 to 12. And I got out at 12:30. And that was it 3 hours? It wasn't actually. What time did I get out at there? 2.9. Actually, no, price pushed out to start with, didn't it? It made it to about 100 off. 2461. So we're back in. We've covered all the losses from today. If I close here, we've covered all the losses from today. But I'm not going to close here because I want some more profit. I don't see why we should close here yet. Could always close at another 3-1. Oh, I'm going. Oh shit, what time, when did I close that? At what price? What price did I close that? 91. Oh boy, I really didn't get a good 2.6R. No wonder the price wasn't making sense. Alright, well we've got 84 is 3R, so I could always close again 3R. Just make back all the losses of today. Plus a little bit more. But honestly, I don't see why this would turn around now. I just don't. Like I was saying, we expect this. I'm expecting this. Has this broke structure actually? It has, but it kind of hasn't. It's broken that. Yeah, okay, that's what I want to see. It's just a little bit of hezzy. How long have we been in this? Almost an hour. 43 minutes again. These hour-long trades, you know. My old back test used to be, I'd be in and out in a trade in like half an hour, both TPs. But they were some small positions though. Sometimes my stop losses were like, well, they were like 2 pips, but they were like, my entry would have been there. No, there wouldn't have even been an entry there, so it would have been like 2 pips from there to there. So these equivalent trades, I would be like, oh boy. Oh, fucking hell. Snap-a-doodle-doo. That's not good. Was that the market's way of telling me to shut my mouth? Why have I got that going all the way over my neck? Why are so many people bought there for? The fuck? Mate, you haven't even broke structure. Why are you buying from there? Forget these chumps. Bruh. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Don't you think we've been through enough together already? 461. Why must you do this? Why must you do this stupid shit for? Just when we've been through enough together, mate. Just allow it, please. Failed to close. I can't be asked to hold this shit. I'm still in profit. Alright, I'm gonna hold till looking at it, that could actually come to there again. This is actually a mini version of like one of my favourite setups, where price pulls back, fails to make another high, then goes low, and then this is like such a short position to jump in there. Failed to frigging close this, mate. I really do. I'm not gonna lie to you, mate. 53. That would be my stop loss on this position anyway. So I'm just gonna hold it. Fuck it. You know. I'm up 100 anyway. At least we've shortened the loss from today. What would be my entry? 3.9. That's there. Don't feel to enter on this, I can't lie. I will not jump in on this again. But okay, we're bouncing off the 20 EMA. See what the reaction is. It's mad, you know, like you wish for different things when with whatever position you're in. Because if I weren't in a trade now, I'd be wishing, I'd be like, please come back to there. But because I'm in a trade, I'm like, please fucking don't go back to there. Just turn around and keep going. It's quite funny. Quite funny, that. Looks like it's coming back. Staying at that, that's just ranging. That's horrible. I'm going to put this back to where it was. Yeah, this is selling now. This is. Look at that reaction off previous day high as well. Oh, I'm gonna hold. I am gonna hold this shit. We've been through worse. I actually might just fucking set myself a TP and just leave it. Six, 034. That's more than 3R, 5R, sorry. I'm gonna do there because I know that The spread might not tap me out, so I'm going to take it at 41. Unless I'm sitting here watching it. But yeah, I'm going to let this play out now. See what else we can find. Yeah, I'm going to close this. We're coming up to an hour. Should I close it? Fuck it, let's just let it run. Why not? Nobody watches this shit anyway, do they? Let's have a look. What? Let's actually have a look if anyone's watched these videos. One person. Still no subscribers. One day you'll notice me. That was weird. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I'm still not too worried. I will be worried if... Do I want to jump in that? I kind of do, but part of me is just like... I don't know. Part of me, I'm just thinking, I've done that before and it's turned into a bigger loss for no reason. But like I would, that is a nice position, I'm not going to lie to you. That is a really nice position. I'm gonna monitor it. I'm gonna monitor it. 40 would be the entry, is it? Yeah, 140 would be the entry. There. It might not even reach. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump in it, I can't lie. I'm not. I've learnt my lesson from doing that before. And it doesn't work out good. But this is good. Tapped into the order block perfectly. And we're reacting off it. That's what I want to see. So now we just gotta hold this shit for a bit longer. But yeah, this is a beautiful setup. Like anytime I see this setup, it's beautiful. Like look, well, ignoring this half of the market structure, like a high, and then we fail to break it. Then we like do a massive push to the low, then come back up. Like it's almost short. It's almost a short trade. Nothing's a short trade, but it's a very confident move. Okay, I feel like it's making its push out now anyway. Semi can't be asked, man. You know what? I've got my stop loss, I've got my TP. I am just gonna go and jump in the shower. And we'll see what happens. Also, if I was editing these, I would fast forward a lot of this shit, but honestly, I don't care. This is just kind of for my own journaling. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off, put it back to, oh wait, is this back? Yeah, it is back to what I did. And yeah, we're just waiting for that again. 4.6 I bought at 2 pip stop loss. Right, let that shit play out. Do you want C trader or yeah, let's do C trader so you can see the money. Alright. Peace. Okay, this don't look great. I think this is over now. Yeah, this is over. The reason I say that is because price has just made a higher low. Yeah, we're done now, really. I think what I might do, yeah, I'm just gonna move my stop loss even tighter. I think I'm not gonna move it fully to break even, but I'm just gonna move it even tighter. See, I'm not worried about losing a tenner now, really. Alright, cool. Let this shit play out. Yeah, just to say, actually, the reason I'm still don't want to close this is because the risk to reward is crazy right now. Like, if this was a separate trade, I'm risking £10 to make 280. I just figure, like, I could close now and lock in £40, but you know what I mean? The risk to reward is nuts. So I know that if it comes to this, we're pretty much invalid. I'm happy to exit the trade, lose £10, but because of that, I'm also happy to hold and see if my original plan does actually play out. Because, to be honest, part of me, like, if it wasn't that, if I was just to say, what do you think is going to happen next? I'd be like, probably going to hit stop loss right now. But you just don't know, so it's worth it. Risk to reward is very generous, so let's just let it do its thing. Da-da-da. I can't lie, part of me does want to close it right now just because it's been going on for so long. And like, I don't know, I just want to know the outcome now. Or I just want to be out of it. For some reason, like, when the trade's still going, your head's still in it. Whether it's like you care massively or not, like your head is still in it a little bit. So part of me wants to close now. It really does. But I've literally just said a really good point that it makes sense just to wait now. It makes sense just to hold it out. It's still bouncing off that line as well, so. Oh, just missed a GBP USD. Never came to entry, but I like it. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah. The market structure is telling me to get out of this. I think partly my ego wants to close it because I now proved that I closed it in profit. But I'll be so annoyed if I close that and it ends up running. But the other thing, actually, realistically, the other part of me wants to close because this ain't just gonna run to TP even if it starts going this way. Like, this is another half an hour easy, I reckon, even if it stays in. Again, I have to ask myself, would I jump in that? Yes, I would. I really, really would. So I'm leaving it. And it might go bad, but it might go good. See, I'll be like, we're getting all excited now. All excited. I'll be like, oh yeah, let me jump in that. But I'm not gonna. Part of me wants to fucking jump in this now. But I am not going to. I'll move my stop loss to 53 though, because that's where it would be. Oh, mate, I really could get in this. This would be a real fast trade as well. 1.4 pips. Oh, it's too late, it's already made the push. Telling you, man, this is the setup. This is the setup. This is that lovely shit. This that hot shit. It's so tough, really, because why wouldn't I have jumped in that? Just because my other one hasn't run to its fully completed zone yet. If I weren't in that, I would be in this. I would be in this. So it's not like I'm doing it just to protect my back. I would have took this trade anyway. And TP 5R would be there. Whereas 5R's there right now. Look at me slowly convincing myself to get in it. If it comes back. Should I get in it? 140. What would be 1.4 pips? 9 lots. I'd only be losing what I've just made. I'd only be losing what I just made. Why am I getting in this, really? Fancy it. I fancy it, yeah, I do. Do you really fancy it? Nice rejections off there as well. Oh, I'm too late. I'm not too late. I'm not too late. Oh, I'm gonna be so pissed if I get in this and it stops out. I swear down. I'm gonna get in it. Fuck it. If it comes back, I'm gonna get in it. Got a lot of lines going on right now though. It's a bit overcrowded. This could go really wrong, or it could go really right. I'm in that shit. Let's see what happens. 154. Man, I don't feel good about it already. 066154. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, you fucking joking. I have to close all them. I've got to. Oh, I've just been absolutely Wreck-It Ralphed. Oh, fuck. Oh, well. Well, we're back to the start. 220. Yeah, alright, fuck it. What was my... So I went up 120 and I lost. What did I lose? Okay. That is a sign not to do that shit again. I'm such a twat. Why do I want to get that in that again? I should have left that one at 6.6. $35 I lost on that. I can't see anything now. I can't fucking see, it's all a mess. What did we actually get stopped out at? 54. Nah, don't piss me off. So I made 90... No, 85 on that. 85 had 35. No, 95. No, 85, yeah. 85 we made on that. Oh boy. And then I just lost another. What did I lose? 60, yeah, 100. I just lost 100 on that. Don't do it. I've already said don't do it, and I did it again. It's okay. I had it to play with. I won it back, so I had it to play with. I went for it. Part of me still wants to get in this though, I can't lie. I feel like it's not a bad position, it's just... I feel like that should be, that's the swing now. What was it, 40, that was my entry. There's the swing. Price has been grabbing liquidity on me all fucking day. I mean, fuck it. I'm in. That's my stop loss. I'm just gonna watch it mechanically. I don't want to lose another 100. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm glad I've recorded all this, because this is going to be one to watch back, man. This is going to be a real one to watch back, innit? Oh, fuck. Oh, I just lost 100 quid that fast. You fucking... Why have I done that? I'm just throwing money away right now. Oh man, okay, this is a low point. I cannot lie, I'm very pissed off at myself for that. Just lost another 120 pounds. Today I've lost a lot of money. Oh, I feel sick, man. Why have I done that? Fucking an hour and a half that was.